let's talk about setting the filter pan on one of our pressure fryers. You're gonna remove the lid, remove your hold down ring, and your screen. You're going to need the appropriate size piece of Broaster filter paper and the proper amounts of Clean Light filtering media. The appropriate amounts are listed on the box of your product. Also, we have these lovely cups here that tell you how much to put in as well. All right, so we've got our filter paper. You'll notice there's creases on here. In this case, this is an 1800. We are going to fold along the marked areas for the filter paper. On a 2400 or an ES18 or ES24, those marks will be in slightly different spots, but you will fold along the notched area on your filter paper. All right, setting your filter pan. Very important, you're gonna start with your screen. You have your 2 holes here, you have 2 nubs here. Your screen is going to go over that. Notice the 2 holes sitting right on the nub, so this stays in place. Next, you're gonna take the filter paper. Again, making sure you're creasing it along the notched areas so that it fits in your pan perfectly. You lay that flat, followed by your hold down ring. Very important that the hold down ring stays inside the folded paper, creating a pocket and holding down your paper so nothing gets up and under. Lastly, you are going to take your Clean Light filtering media and gently sprinkle it all around your paper. You want to try to do as evenly as you can. If you do get a little bit of a clump in one spot, it's not the end of the world. You can just spread it out a little bit with your hand. Just be careful not to press the compound into the paper. To note, as you're setting up your filter pan, it's really important to make sure that your pan is clean on the inside and outside. It's really important that we keep this lid clean so that there is no heavy residue or buildup. The better we take care of our equipment, the longer it's going to last and the less issues you could potentially have. Plus, once it gets caked on there, it's really hard to get off. If you wipe it down every time, it'll never get built. Check your O-rings here to make sure that they're not damaged. Slide it back into your fryer, and voila, you're ready to go. All right, we're ready to slide our filter pan back in. One thing to note is to make sure that the lip of your lid is tucked underneath the lip on the filter pan. This is just going to slide in right like that. Lift it up just a little bit to get on the slides. That slides in, making sure your rising line goes in.